25 miles per hour. This is the National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio stations. K East C63 in Southfield on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. KIH29 in Clio on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. WNG647 in Adrian on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz. WNG582 in Sandusky on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz. And WNG701 in Bad Axe on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. This is Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan, which continues through the Saturday, March 27th. While the state is taking proactive steps to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 in Michigan, we want to remind residents that severe weather season is approaching. This includes tornadoes, flooding, high winds, and other severe weather that could disrupt our daily lives. While we are practicing social distancing, we do not encourage you to congregate in groups for drills, but ask that you review what your plan is in event of severe weather. Disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. If this alert had been for an actual tornado or severe thunderstorm warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. Additional severe weather safety and preparedness information can be found on our website at weather.gov/Detroit. This concludes the test of NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Warning Alarm Device.